Hey, what's up guys, it's Vinny and you're watching My Next Best. In this video we've got this Parkside Multi-Purpose Detector to unbox. I've got this from a local store, and quite interestingly we've got lots of different cheap, fairly cheap products to sell. Lidl, as you might already know. This I came across today. I've seen this before, but this was like something that I wanted to buy, but I never found a proper brand. It's just that there was nothing else available. Parkside's fairly decent. I haven't bought much from Parkside, but it was available in Lidl, so just bought it. Let's just try and see how this works. The primary reason why I bought this is because you've got holes and lots of wires and screws and things going on. It's important to know where those are when you're drilling holes, when you're hanging your paintings and whatever else in your on your walls. So it's quite useful to detect early on, so you don't drill holes where it's not supposed to be drilled. And obviously water pipes, gas pipes, and electricity pipes. So much that's there, and it's important that we keep all of those things safe at home. So in terms of this video, um, here's the box as usual. Parkside Multi-Purpose Detector. This is the detector box. Battery included, on-off button, pretty much the standard stuff that you've got. Battery included is great. Normally you'd never find these 9 amp batteries included, 9 volt batteries, sorry. There's nothing else really on the box. There are some pictures here, but they're too small to see. But obviously it's a detector, so you'd know what these pictures majorly would represent. At the back, it's got some information on how this would work. I mean, general things that it does, like finds current carrying cables, metal components, wooden beams, and cavities. It's so important to while I'm reading this. I'm not sure if this brand does any justice to this detection and things. So I have to obviously find out. This is just an unboxing, of course. Exact location finding, why intensity graphics and things like that. 3 adjustable sensitivity levels for detecting live cables with voltage warning display, battery charge level indicator, and marking pencil. Oh, battery and instructions included. I can't see the marking pencil anywhere. Maybe in the box. But yeah, I've got lots of pencils at home. Anyway, okay. Different languages, as usual. At the bottom it says made in Germany. This should be good. Made in Germany, and Surbiton. Oh, imported in Surbiton. Surbiton in sorry. So okay, and there's this battery included. 3 years guarantee. Warranty, sorry. 3 years of warranty. I didn't know that. I've got the bill, which is great. It sounds now, it just seems as if this is a fairly decent brand. 3 years warranty and things like that is normally the things that we usually buy from Lidl don't normally come with 3 years and things like that. But apparently this seems to be a fairly decent product. And you'd be surprised, I bought this like a month ago. It's been a month, I never got a chance to open this up. And here we are with the box, finally. Found some time to open it. There have been things going on, but okay. Hard to open it. Fully sealed. Brand new packaging. I can't open this beyond this, it's so hard. Let's just get it out. Something in that paper flap. Oh, there's the pencil. Oh wow, that's a big pencil. Lucky me. And there's something in there as well. Okay. That's the user manual. Multi-purpose Parkside detector in different languages as usual. And whoa. Buttons. Buttons. One. There's quite a few buttons. 7 buttons or 7 areas of instruction, something at the top. I don't know what that is. Oh, you use this specific spot to detect. This is your detection space. When you put this on the wall or wherever else, you look at this as your reference for detection. And there's the arrow that represents that as well. AC sense on off button, usual. They are fairly decent rubbery finish buttons. And this is the push to do something. Let's just take it out. Let's get the batteries going. 1 second. Let's just open the cover. I don't want to make this a long video, but this is all that we're going to be doing to install the battery in the detector. There we are. It's a little ribbon that would help get this back out. But for now, oops, what? Where's the positive, negative? No, it seems like this one is. Okay. There we are, connected, and let's just how do you want this to be? Well, maybe like this, possibly. It's not going to come out. That's why the ribbon is there. Yeah, okay, so let's put this ribbon across and place it inside so the ribbon can help get the batteries out. That's done. Good stuff. So it's turned on. Let's take this screen cover off and stud metal. There are these different stud metal, deep something, and AC. AC is the current which you'd use to detect current on a switchboard or whatever else on your wall. And this is what it really looks. It's quite straightforward. Push button for something. I don't know what this is for. I don't know. On off button turns it off. And this is rubbery something. Not rubbery really. It's like the Velcro, the other side of the Velcro, which has got the softer part of the Velcro. It's probably to rub against the wall or rub against these different things that you'd want to detect on. And there's nothing else really on this. And we were looking at the user manual. 3 years of warranty, obviously we've looked at that. And lots of information, warranty information, 3 years from the date of purchase. And not much of relevance. At the back we've got the PDF online. Okay, that's good. You could use, you could scan this and use the online PDF to read through the documentation. The pencil goes in here. I don't know if it sticks in or just stays out. Not really. Okay, fine. You don't need the pencil anyway. So turn it on, put it on here, and start to push. Doesn't. I'm just checking on the wall. Oh, there's something here. Oh, we found something here. This is the... Okay, so this is the... Oh, what is this underneath? Okay, so this is the wooden part. This is the wooden part underneath. So it's a cupboard sort of a thing, or a kind of a kitchen cupboard underneath, and there's a wooden part that comes in here. There's nothing over here, nothing over here, and there's something over here as well. So we'll have to sort of explore this a little bit more, because it does work. As you can see, it does obviously work. It's got nothing here. If you just look here, there's something over here, right here at this specific spot. You'll have to sort of, and it should be consistent. Like, let's see. Oh, it doesn't detect anything this time. Yeah, it should be consistent. across this. Yeah, it is quite consistent. If you can see this, it's quite consistent because it's there. And if you move up, oh god, yeah, that's detects something here, and that's the other side. This is how the shelves are set up. Nothing in the middle. It starts on the other side. So it seems to be working fine. We'll have to test this a little bit more. Yeah. Okay. So I'll test this out and probably I'll do another video. I always say that I do another video, but I just hardly find time. But anyway, okay. So Parkside metal multi-purpose detector, metal wires and whatever else detector, works perfectly fine as it shows on this initial video. But if there's anything else that I'd want to sort of add on, I'll probably do a follow-up video to share how it detects and things like that. That will be useful, I think. And that's it, really. If you've got any questions or queries, as usual, drop them in the comment section below. I'll try and address those as soon as I possibly can. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to ManXpress. And one more thing, if you've got any specific product to be reviewed or anything at all, just drop them in the comment section. I'll try and find that specific product, get it reviewed, get it unboxed and reviewed as soon as I possibly can. So yeah, all you need to do is like this video, share this video, and subscribe to ManXpress. Take care. Cheers. Bye bye.